Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to show you how to back up your Line app chats safely to your Google account. This process will help you protect your messages and ensure you never lose important conversations. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner of the app and tap on the settings icon. Then, from the menu, select Backup and Restore Chat History. After that, click on Backup Now and set your backup PIN. Once done, click the next icon at the bottom. Then, click on Select Account. If prompted, tap Allow to give Line access to your contacts and choose your Google account. Next, click Continue. Then click on Start Backup to begin the process. Depending on the size of your chat history, this may take a few minutes, so make sure your device stays connected to the internet. Finally, once the backup is complete, your chats will be safely stored in your Google account and ready to restore anytime. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.